Hey, welcome back to another Quick Assist video. Today I will be showing you how to turn off Find My. So if it's you're set up with Find My Phone, or there's a family plan, or you don't want someone to know where you are, this is all you have to do. Please like or subscribe if this video helps. Really helps the channel. Alright, so all you have to do is hold this button and this button at the same time. Hold it down, and then it'll take you here. From here, you'll see it says this option, iPhone findable after power off. And then you want to go ahead and click that. And then it'll allow you to turn off finding right here. Go ahead and push that. And now your phone will no longer be traced on Find My iPhone. All right, guys. So I hope that helps. Please like or subscribe. Oh, I forgot to mention, you have to put in your password. And now your phone will no longer be on Find My temporarily. All right, guys. I hope this video helps. Bye-bye.